Hi to all, welcome to HEF's channel. You are watching Health, Environment, Food Safety, Sustainability Solutions. Today we are discussed about what is mock drill awareness, how many types of mock drills, what is the difference between fire drill and mock drill, and how many mock drills are there. So what exactly importance of mock drill? So let us discuss what is the mock drill. The mock drill is nothing but it is a simple understanding. Mock drill is a practice as how to save life in real time situation of any kind of danger calamity that occurs with no advance of very little time to evacuate from place. It's a mostly you can practice that how the real time is incident happening. So for this you can before you have to mock drill conduct for your workplace and your workspaces and your institutions and manufacturing plants or buildings and your schools and your organizations. So this is a mock drill is especially designed as per disaster management. There is a natural disasters also is there, and there is also man-made disaster also is there. So for this you can be designed for that, like see there is a drills is different, especially focus in every organization drills is that fire mock drill, earthquake drill, tornado drills, and that sudden fire or building collapse drills. So this type of drills is mandatory for every organizations and every high rise building especially. So why mock drill is important? The main purpose of this mandatory drill is to check the reaction of the occupants, employees of the building, and to know the workability of firefighting or detection system installed in the building, so the deficiency may be removed and further improvement plans may be executed to avoid life and property loss. So that is the reason the mock drills is very important for every organizations and every building. The purpose of the conducting emergency evacuation training drill is to assist personnel to know their roles and responsibilities in emergency situations accordance with the workplace plans and procedures, and to test the workforce response to an emergency. So for this here are some reasons why practice drills are so important, whether you to do them personally at work or with your kids schools. If you have specific equipment in your supplies like emergency ladders or walkie-talkie radios, or drills give you chance to check their work. So you can check for every tools inspection on this movement. It's a real time, it will be work out or not for, and everybody aware about that is it mandatory for every person's as a workplace areas. So each and everything area you can be understand for that emergency procedures like family emergency plans and workplace emergency plans, how to in your workplace dangers in this your zone, how to do the mock drills. So like that you can be prepared for that mock drills. Mainly the mock drills is coming to the types of mock drills: fire mock drills, building collapse mock drills, earthquake mock drills, tornadoes mock drills, and bomb blast mock drills, and medical emergency mock drills, and home related like work related in the inner workplace areas like electrocution mock drills, ladder safety mock drills, chemical splash mock drills, and food choking mock drills. So like we have to designed, customized to control and to protect the employees in real scenario. If in case of anything happens, you can be design and modify the mock drills in your organization and same to be practiced in this as per your schedule. So that is a reason you can be motivate that employees, and you can be encourage that your workplace area employees, and you can encourage that your public, and encourage that your colleagues, and to motivate the mock drill trainings and emergency mock drills, and how to prepare the plan. And so that is a reason mock drills are very very important nowadays. So mock drills heeds the purpose is main, they have to focus further to protect the building, to protect the environment, to protect the employees. There are two types, is mainly obstructed or and unobstructed lockdown. In case of intruder internal situation or a situation outside the building evacuation, when we have to leave the building and dismiss the school from another location for trials. So for the reason we can be understand that drills for this. This is the main objective of the mock drill, is to ascertain the preparedness of district administration to tackle an emergency situations, is ensuring the safety of the community and sensitize the local community, and the precautionary measures to be have to given as per state disaster management and disaster management rules and regulations. So these are all the basic mock drills awareness. So let us will understand that one by one mock drills, how to conduct, what is the plan, what is the role of the employees. So for this we will be discuss for next session. So next session is we will be discuss what is the fire mock drills, how to we will be evacuate, what is the action plan for that. So every area we have to, what is the role of the ERT, how to we can be understand that ERT procedure. Fire mock drills means what is the actual real situations, how we will be react, what is the emergency response procedure plan, how to evacuate the building, and how to do the for that fire drills, and how to operating the fire extinguishers. So every aspects we will be learn and understand and practice your locations. So please continue and let us watch our HAFS channel. We will be create awareness these sessions for your useful. Thank you, thanks a lot.